Respected teachers and all my dear friends, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day, 15th August. Today we are celebrating 77th Independence Day of India. On this day in 1947, our country got freedom from the British rule. Due to their warriors, we are living a peaceful life. We should be grateful to our freedom fighters. We should feel proud to be an Indian. On this day, the national holiday is announced and our Prime Minister holds the flag on the right foot. On this occasion, let us all take to do our best and make this country the best country in the world. The freedom fighters sacrificed their life to get us freedom for our country, such as Mahatma Gandhi, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Maulana Hussain Ahmad Madani, Tipu Sultan, Sultan Meher Ali, and many more who sacrificed their lives for our country.